You know, another part of my job that's really important is resetting expectations. The burden is on the client in being able to rethink their own expectations. And a very common one involves budget, or rather what I like to say, what they're willing to invest in their home and their family. Statistically, a typical homeowner will come to us with a budget. Not that it was based on anything necessarily, just this is a number we would like this project to cost. And it's usually off by 2 or 3x. If they come at us with a $40,000 budget, chances are that project could be 80 to 100. For the most part, people understand, hey, we don't know how we came up with this budget. This is just what we want it to cost. And then we're able to show, well, here's some other projects that are similar, and here's where kind of what the goals are, and here's how we accomplish them. Do you think you'd be willing to make a similar investment to accomplish your goals? And that's kind of the question we have to ask. Clients come at us with very ambitious scopes, and they're very excited, and it's very exciting. And then we talk about what things cost, and it's less exciting. But the projects that are successful are the ones where we say, you know, we've done this project, it's very similar to the one you're describing, and it ended up costing this much, and here's another one that's just very similar to that, and it costs this much. And they're able to say, you know what, we need to talk, but that makes a lot of sense. We'll get back with you and see if we can do that number. And even if they come back and say, you know what, we can't do that number, the fact that they were able to rethink and say, is that something we can do? Is that something we're willing to do? That's half the battle. And the thing is, a lot of people come back and say, yes, we are willing to make that investment. Let's go.